Hello beauties, welcome to Winnie Styles. I want you guys to please check out this anti-age short natural haircut for black women. This is a style for beautiful women that want a trending cut. You know, when it comes to timeless elegance and glamour, this haircut says it all, and it's a style that will bring out the celebrity in you and make you look so iconic. You can see how the styles will really draw many attentions to you and make you look so fashionable. This style really evokes that sense of nostalgia and sophistication. One beautiful thing I love about the style today is that it's versatile and polished while you are still standing out. Can't you see how this hairstyle looks so cute? If you want something even shorter, this is a haircut for you to try, because this cut is versatile and it can give you that bold, youthful look while still being low maintenance, making it ideal for those women who prefer a quick styling routine. So you can see how this haircut really works well with various hair texture and can frame your face beautifully. So when you're asking for this kind of cut at the salon, specify what you really want. Either you want the Pixie or you want the Tapered, or maybe you don't know the name. You can decide to show them this video, but tell them to always make the two sides shorter and the back and slightly longer layers on the top. So mention whether you prefer a more classic or a modern Pixie. So our styles can vary from more dramatic, spiky looks to softer. When styling at home, make sure you throw it dry just out of the shower and add those beautiful cream that will help your hair, give it that definition, give it that texture, and shine your hair really desire. I just want to say a big thank you to my returning subscribers and to my new subscribers. Welcome to Winnie Styles. God bless you guys and see you guys in my next upload.